People sitting talk and talk for hours, discussing if the love they've got is real. You don't have to say it, 'cause I know exactly what you feel.
Ito guys, ay pupunta na.
People keep on talking about the weather,
Pasay na to guys. Pasay.
spending words on important things,
Part na ng Pasay.
staying in a corner, listen to our hearts that sing. We don't have to say the words,
Kulay ng
we live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad,
kayo maligaw guys sa
we don't have to say it, we don't have to say the words. Sometimes I can feel you're in my mind, babe.
Ayan guys, ang maliit na swimming pool.
That an open book for you.
Oo, bagong kulay.
Ain't never hard for us to find love.
Toyota naman.
Always I'm coming through to you. Oh, we don't have to say the words. We live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad,
Little Macau. We're going to.
we don't have to say it.
Ayan guys.
We don't have to say the words.
Siguro ko sa inyo kung saan yung papuntang Buwag. Buwag. Bago ka pumunta ng Buwag guys, dadaanan mo muna ito. Double Dragon. Yan. Yan guys. Nakita kayo. Ayan, Jollibee. Guys. Basta tignan nyo lang. Like and follow.
We don't have to say the words. We live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad, we don't have to say it. We don't have to say the words. We don't have to say.
Nakita niyo yung yan guys, yan. Mamaya yung pag hindi pa ako malubat guys, makikita niyo, papakita ko na naman sa inyo yung Baclaran Church. Pag may mga makasalanan dyan, punta lang kayong Baclaran Church, ha?
Ano okay yung vlog mo?
Ah, ano ka maingay?
Ano ko?
Kasi puro ano to. Yan guys. Tapos yan guys, mga ano yan. Mga, hindi ko alam tawag dyan. Basta, pag may nakita kang building, tsaka yan, alam mo na.
Puro foreigner pala tapos sabihin mo, huwag maingay. Paano niya maintindihan sinasabi mo? Bad trip ka pa may.
Tapos yan guys, ang Baclaran Church. Yan, nakita niyo yun guys. Basta yung way na yan.
There, the church of so many
Yan,
days.
dyan, banda dyan, yan. Yung church na simbahan, yan. Pero hindi mo makikita dito guys. Dito sa kalsada ka.
Church.
Pagkatapos nyo magsimba guys, punta kayong ano, dyan o sa may cave na yan. Pag uwi naman kayo guys, papuntang Cavite, dito kayo sa Makay, yan. LRT yan. Oh, nakita nyo yun guys, LRT yan. Diyan kayo sasakay. Ngayon, papasok na tayo ng MOA, papuntang Okada. Bago kayo po makarating ng Okada guys, mag-PCR muna kayo. PCR muna, PCR. Sabay
Ano yung tutulong mo sa kanila?
diba, tinutur ko na lang kayo para hindi kayo maligaw pag nandito na kayo sa Pilipinas. Ang haba na ng live ko, guys.
Maliligaw sila, hindi nila maintindihan yung sinasabi mo eh.
Ay, ita-translate ko na lang, magvo-voice over record ako.
Gulo-gulo mo eh, parang kasi gulo-gulo.
Yan guys, yung mga taong naghanap buhay, lumalaban sa buhay, sa ilalim ng walang araw.
Walang araw, ano yun, ano?
Kapag kukuha naman kayo ng passport guys, pwede dito sa Shana. Ayan. Alam nyo, tandaan nyo, screenshot nyo habang nakahinto pa. Mamaya gagalaw na yun, hindi nyo na ma-screenshot. Okay? Tapos pag nandito kayo guys sa Pilipinas ay maraming stoplight. Kailangan pag nag-stoplight, stop kayo.
Tawagan mo na.
Wait lang guys ah. Bye! Thank you for watching.